Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about 10 things the rich do that the poor don't. Why are you still broke? Have you ever thought about how some people can become incredibly wealthy while others battle to make ends fulfill? Does it make you wonder if there is some secret formula to becoming rich that you are missing out on? Well, in this video, I will share 10 things that rich people do that poor people don't, which frequently makes the difference between financial success as well as financial distress. But before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to notify all the exciting videos we make for you. So, let's get to the video. Number 1. The rich believe in the law of income. The rich believe that they will certainly be paid in direct percentage to their value to the marketplace. Still, if they are essential in forming an item that almost everyone on the planet wants or requires, after that they should be made up accordingly. Rich people understand that output is the only metric that counts, considering that we stay in a results-driven world. On the other hand, poor people believe that they must be paid based on time they take into a task. The effort is a considerable success. Enhanced output doesn't constantly equate to even more output, indicating inefficiency when value-included results are not consistently produced. Consequently, poor people typically miss the mark by exclusively focusing on inputs instead of outputs. Number 2. The rich are voracious readers. Rich people obey the saying that the more you know, the more you gain, which is usually achieved by reading. Warren Buffett, probably the world's greatest investor, was one asked about the secret to success. He replied by indicating his stack of books and addressing read 500 pages similar to this every day. That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. Every one of you can do it. By guarantee, very few of you will certainly do it. Warren Buffett is not alone in the club of enthusiastic book reader. Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, dedicates 3 hours a day to reading. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, reads 50 books a year, nearly a book a week. And also Elon Musk, the creator of Tesla, is an avid reader that declares he learned to build rockets by reading textbooks. As for the poor, just 1 in 50 confess to utilizing self-improvement reading habits daily. Their lack of the knowledge to make decisions will not certainly lead them to financial prosperity. Number 3. The rich focus on opportunities, not obstacles. Once, a shoe salesman discovered himself in a distant country, attempting to sell shoes to the citizen. The only issue was no one there wore shoes, and also the sale was often quite challenging. The salesman soon gave up in disappointed as well as decided to leave the location. On his exit, he met one more shoe salesperson. "Never mind entering this town," said the very first salesman. "These people do not also wear shoes." The eyes of second salesman grew wide. "Nobody has shoes, then I could sell a set to everybody around." Exactly how lucky we are dissembled upon an untapped market. You see, it's all an issue of viewpoint. The poor usually see obstacles and rapidly quit, while the rickety opportunities go into fields that many would not imagine. Number 4. The rich associate with positive, successful people. It's said that you are the average of the 5 people you spend one of the most time with, and rich people recognize that your social circle drives your success. That's why people spend time with others who enjoy speaking about success, opportunities, and the positive things in life. By doing so, the successful people have a higher chance of enhancing their view of the world by being in excellent company. As frequently seen was poor people, they make a little effort to incorporate themselves with people who will allow them to become more successful versions of themselves. Bad influences would instead bring it down, ultimately misusing any possibilities they would have of improving their financial situation. Number 5. The rich are willing to promote themselves and their value. Most rich people have a skill or idea that has brought them their wealth. Because of this, they are not scared to share their strengths with others. The sharing of their best attributes frequents an effort to share information to guide others to grow. As for the poor, many are not remarkable in any one thing, as well as unfortunately being average is a precursor to monetary mediocrity. Moreover, the causes people have are display. As lower tier income earners tend to lack understanding, it is vital to sailing on your own when trying to prosper. Number 6. The rich go bigger than their problems. The poor see issues as troubles rather than possibilities. Instead of identifying how to overcome tough times, these people catch the difficulty and return to their status. Conversely, rich people thrive on brand new challenges. Rich people recognize that there is worth in producing solutions to problems, which is the basis of many financial success tales. Number 7. The rich think both, the poor think either or. Economics created the term opportunity expense long ago. It indicates that if you select one thing, you are eventually previous to something else. In other words, if I have $5 and I get in $5 ice cream cone, after that I am quitting that packet of gum that I wanted to. It's just how poor people think too. They have a set amount of money and they also believe that they can spend it on either one thing or one more, yet not both. It sounds logical, doesn't it? However, the rich focus on just how they can get both. Following along the same lines is the example over, let's offer a rich person $5. They took an ice cream and a $5 pack of gum, but in place of believing either or, they choose both to do this. The rich mindset would certainly deny the ice cream or the gum initially. However, I might instead buy a 24 pack of water for $5, then walk down the road always, sell each container of water to field buyers for 50 cents and also a total of $12. Now they can take pleasure in their ice cream and gum and still have $2 left to save. The rich have both mindset, not either or. Number 8. The rich focus on net worth, not working income. Poor people commonly speak in terms of per hour pay. Whether wealthy people recognize that an hourly income is not nearly as important as someone's net worth. One can make quite a great deal of money per hour, yet if they don't recognize just how to maintain it, after that they will still be broke in the end. The rich person understands that huge net worth will fulfill several chances and develop much more wealth. Number 9. The rich are dollar smart. There is the saying that goes penny smart, dollar stupid, and many poor people apply this phrase. This phrase generally means that some people are particular regarding just how they spend small amounts of money, like buying a coffee cup, but don't make wise selection with large amount of cash, like investing and self-improvement and education. Rich people utilize both methods by making disciplined penny decision while investing big amounts of funds into conferences, paid mentorships, and other activities to foster continual development and monetary success. Number 10. The rich network and volunteer regularly. The rich understand the value in building connection, whether making friends, discover potential customers, meeting new people has an upside and is generally assessed in via community participation talks. Almost 3/4 of wealthy people network and volunteer a minimum of 5 hours a month. Among those struggling economically, just 1 in 10 does, is causing them to miss out on new links and also, as importantly, several new possibilities for monetary prosperity. So, by using these 10 points, you can be able to prosper on your own. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell button to notify all the exciting videos we make for you.